Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising. We just want to come on here and wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. Hope you're enjoying time with family, friends. Hope everybody's getting everything they want for Christmas this year.
Hope everybody's staying warm. It's quite chilly.
It is definitely chilly out there. Yeah, Tiffany this year, I'll tell you guys, she had at the top of her Christmas list a cruise. If y'all could believe it, it was a cruise. And can y'all guess which kind of cruise it was that she asked for? I mean,
Mickey Mouse.
yeah. I don't know if y'all can tell or not how much of a Disney fan she is. She's got a Disney hat. She's got ears on her Santa hat, blinking Mickeys on her chest, wearing Disney pajamas. I guess I can't say a whole lot. I'm wearing a Disney shirt. But just wanted to come on here and wish everybody a very Merry Christmas.
And a very Happy New Year. Hope all your dreams and wishes and cruises come true.
All right. Y'all have a great day.